Hi, welcome to CHEFrageous Show Rock with the Walk. This is a two-part process of cooking pan-fried noodle. Right now we're getting the temperature of the oil up to close to 250 degrees so we can deep fry the noodles. So that's pretty much it. These are the noodles that we cooked earlier and it's practically dried out. So you just want to take a bundle some and drop it in the noodles. Cooking it, make sure 250 degrees. You don't want to go over 250 degrees. Give or take, it'll cook the noodles fair enough. The reason why we're cooking this pan fried noodle because it was a popular demand. A lot of people were asking about it. That's why we're cooking it today. Get the noodles all munched up. Now you can always speed up the process and turning the fire up and cooking the oil much, but then again it will burn the noodles, so you don't want to do that. It's a little tedious to cook the noodles. There we go. Mix it up. We have here is a plate with a napkin. So after we finish the noodles, we put it on top, and it can soak up all the oil as possible. Getting there. Possibly you want to let it cook fairly good enough. I like it extra crispy, so I usually take my time to make this pan fried noodle. Getting the noodles all prepped and ready. See how crispy that is right there? That's how you want all the noodles to look like. Now after you put that one portion of noodles in here, you tend to be one serving. So this right here is considered one serving. It's almost ready. Here we go. Just pretty much pull out the noodles. Let all that excess oil out, dripped away from the pan. That's one serving right there. Now we're going to cook the beef, the meat. Put some ginger in there. There we go. making sure it gets a little dark and a little, you would say it has a little texture to it because I put the cornstarch earlier. I'll give it another couple more minutes until it's practically ready. Now, don't worry about not fully cooking it because, like I mentioned, this is a three-step process, and we are in the part 2 stage. Okay, just practically finished. Not fully cooked, but almost there. Now we're going to go back to part 3.